All right, we're gonna give it a try. So what did you have to do, Derek? Give us a little rundown on what you did.
Oh, I took the head off and had a valve job done, and that's about it.
And then new fuel lines.
New rate
Had to
pressure
work on the
regulator.
exhaust pressure regulator. Had to refit the exhaust headers.
Yeah, everything needed on the head.
Yep.
Rebuilt the carburetor.
Spilling.
All right.
Got it.
Steady hand.
Get me some gauze pads, some 40 weight ball bearings, some antifreeze, Quaker
Wow.
State.
Okay, come on, guys.
Now make that pressed on.
All right, so just a few minutes here. We're gonna give it a try. Hear the engine.
This has a 5-speed.
There we go. Well, this doesn't work. Somebody turn the key.
There.
Yeah, turn it.
Yeah.
To start.